Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this tutorial, this video, I am going to show you is this possible to run one scenario outline with multiple example table. And if we want to run the scenario outline with any selected example tables, so we can do or not. Okay, so let me show. Here you can see I have one scenario outline. This contains the three example tables data. Okay, these are the three example tables data. Now, if I directly run this feature file, so you will see this will run with all the seven set of data, one test data, five test data we have here, and here is one set of data. So it means by default, it will pick the data from each and every example tables which are given here. You can see 7 times this is executed, 7 scenario, and all the 7 is passed. Now next, if we want to run any selected test scenarios, how we do that? So we can add here tag scenario one. Okay, so we can also, if you don't know, I have already added one links how we create the test runner file using the JUnit. Okay, so I have already created, and that is this is the runner file. Okay, this is the JUnit runner. Okay, here we can pass the tag. So what is the runner, how we create the runner, and how we use this, all those I have already added in a one video. Okay, so you can go with that video if you want to learn like how we create the JUnit runner. So now in the JUnit runner, I have added the this @scenario tag. So if I run this, right, so this will run the scenario one, and all the 7 tests you can see passed. Okay, this scenario is run for all the 7 set of test data. Now if we want to run any selected example, like suppose that we want to run this scenario using this example table only, so you can add a tag here like tag 1. Okay, and add here one more tag 2. This has a different tag 3. You can add the tag over the example table. Okay, and now I can pass this tag at runtime in a runner file. Okay, so if I pass this tag 1 here in the runner file, so this will execute the scenario outline only for the test data 1, example table 1. Okay, where we have applied the tag. Now here you can see one execution done, highest one means first table. If I want to run different one, just add the other tag, okay, and run this file. Okay, so this is picking the different scenario because I've already added the tag name one there. Let me give the tag 1112131. Okay, so let me add this tag here. Okay, so now you can see this scenario is executed. How many times this is run? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, like 5 times this is executed. And first is like not considered. First example table is not considered. This pick the data from only the tag to 1. Similar type, if we want to run this scenario by using this example table, so just pass this tag in our runner file. Okay, this tag, and then run. Okay, so now if I expand this, you can see only the 7th test data is executed. Third example tables, that's why we are getting has 7. Why? Because this is the first similar type. This is 5 plus 1 6, and this is the 7 test data. So now this is executed only for the last test data. So similar type, we want to run our test scenario with multiple environment. Okay, multiple environment means like suppose that you have one production URL, one have a different URL data like QA environment or the a test environment. Okay, so accordingly you can set the test data within the example tables, and you will pass the runtime the tag name, and accordingly your scenario will run on that particular example table data. Okay, so hope this will help you to understand. And your if anyone asks like, is this possible to run one scenario outline with multiple set of example tables, and how we run scenario outline by selecting the any particular table data. So you can explain this. Thanks for watching the video.